Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to resolve this issue. ReqRes API users, it says error missing API key. So previously we were able to get the users like that. We were not getting the missing API key error. How to resolve this, guys? For that, guys, go to reqres.in, click on get started. So now you can log in with Google here. Click on continue with Google. Once you continue with Google, once you log in, you can create this. It will ask you build client app, create QA, skip demo. So I'll do skip for now. So once you do skip for now, you can go to dashboard here, get a free API key. So you can see 0 to 100 requests a day, and we have to go down, create a free API key here. So click on create free API key, you give test key and then click on create key. As soon as you click on create key, the test key is created and this is API key. You can use this API key to hit reqrs.in. Okay, let me copy this API key. I'm just using the same API slash API users. Here I'll click on send, the same thing will come 403 forbidden. Now I have to use an API key here. Okay, what I'll do, so here I'm adding the API key, here I'm adding the value which I just created an API key. Now instead of getting the 403 forbidden, if I just click on send, see I got the response. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care, have a great day, bye bye.